Solution of quadratic equation by factorization. If we have given the equation 2x square minus 5x minus 25 is equal to 0, and we have to solve this quadratic equation. Now we have to take the factorization method, like 2 into minus 25 means coefficient of x square into this constant number, it becomes minus 50. Now we have to factorize this minus 50 into two factors such that their sum will be minus 5 and their product will be minus 50. So we have two factors, that is 10 and 5. 10 into 5 will be 50. We have to factorize these numbers into two factors. Okay. Now sum minus 5, for this we have to take minus sign over here and plus will be here. Means minus 10 plus 5 will be minus 5, and their product minus 10 into 5 will be minus 50. Therefore we have two factors. Now we'll take this as 2x square minus 10x plus 5x minus 25 is equal to 0. We have to write equation in this form. Now we'll take two parts such that, like this. Here in first two terms 2 is constant, also here x is also constant. So now common, 2x will be common, so remaining term will be x minus, if 2x is common then remaining is 5. Now you can see here 2x into x will be 2x square, 2x into minus 5 will be minus 10x. Similarly we have to take common from this example. Okay, so first what we have to do here, we have to take 5 common, okay, plus 5 common, then remaining term will be x minus 5. So now you can see here 5 into x plus 5x, 5 into minus 5 minus 25. So we have two factors such that, let us write like this, 2x plus 5, because this term is common. Okay, so we'll take 2x plus 5 in one bracket, in second bracket x minus 5. We'll write this equation like this. Now either 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the values of x. So now here 2x is equal to, this plus 5 becomes minus 5, 0 minus 5 will be minus 5. Then x is equal to, this 2 is multiplied here, so it will get divided over here, minus 5 divided by 2. This will be our first value, and similarly here x is equal to, this minus 5 becomes plus 5. Therefore we have two values of x like this, x is equal to minus 5 by 2 or x is equal to 5. Okay, thank you.